In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get more weapons and guns here in Bake or Die on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, when you're in the game itself, you need to find the gunsmith shop. Essentially, walk into the gunsmith shop. Now, it does have to be open, so just keep that in mind. It does close later on in the night. But walk into the gunsmith shop, and once you're inside, you'll see different weapons that are available to buy, like rifles, revolvers, and other guns. Just walk up to the weapon that you want and purchase it from the shop. Now, if you do buy a gun, you also need to make sure that you are checking for ammo, since some weapons do need ammo before you can actually use them. And you can find ammo in the exact same shop, usually near the exact same weapon that you just purchased. But that is the main way to get more weapons here in Bake or Die on Roblox. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let's know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.